how you change oil in a car, and in a Lincoln. So what you want to do first is open the hood. In every single car, it tells you what type of fuel you need, oil you need inside of each car. This one is 5W20. Here we are in the AutoZone store, and we are looking for the oil filter for the Lincoln Town Car 2001. So here's the Lincoln and the oil filters. 2001 Town Car should be right here. And we need the Fram one, which is pH2. So, all you need to look for is pH2. Which one is right here? Next, we need the funnel and 5W20 oil. So the funnel should be right over here. And I'm going to leave this here. And the 5W20 should be right here. So, yeah. Then we need to turn on the Lincoln car and put it up on top of the lifts so we can do what we need to do. Okay. Now we have to pop the hood and change the oil from inside. So the next thing we're going to do is put these tracks up here so the car doesn't slip down. So, next we need a big drainer to put the dirty oil in and spit the dirty oil out. And I'll need to put on a glove so my hand doesn't get burned while I'm doing this. Right over here is the drain plug, and I'm going to loosen up the drain plug with this wrench. How long do you think we're going to do? So after all that dirty oil drained out, we need to put the plug back inside of the thing. That. It's all nice and tight, we need to take off the air filter. Oil filter, I'm sorry. There we go. Now that we've taken the old oil filter out and putting the new oil filter back in, we need to put oil inside of the engine. Okay, so now we need to take this cap off and of the engine, and we need to put new oil inside with this here funnel. Here's our 5W20 oil for the Lincoln car, and be very careful not to spill any on the floor. So we need to put it inside of the funnel. You need to put the whole entire thing. This is supposed to be the fun part. Kind of like baking, sort of, like olive oil or something. Okay, so that was in the oil, and okay, so now we need to put the top of the engine back on top of the car, and you need to do it nice and tight so it doesn't fall off and there will be no leaking. And then after we do this, we're gonna turn on the car, take it off the lips and make sure no oil is leaking. Well, now that we've put all the oil inside of the car, we're gonna turn on the car, and then we're gonna check around for if there's any oil leaks. So, let me just turn on the car first. Right side. Well, looks like it's good over here. And over here. And now we're going to take out these so we can move the car back. Now, since everything looks good, we're going to move the car back. Since the car looks good. You see how dirty this oil is? Good thing we changed it. Make sure to take this dirty oil to an oil recycling place where you would just buy any oil. Well, now that I've taught you how to change oil on a car, now you could do it for your dad, just like I did for mine.